Hi, it's Miss Purdue here, and we're going to do some sound boxes. Do you remember sound boxes? To get ready, we're going to say the words slowly so we can hear all three sounds. Ready? Let's say the word cat. At. What do you hear first? Let's do it again. At. Did you hear the k? Good. Let's say it again and see what we hear next. At. Wow, did you hear the ah? Here we go. At. What did you hear at the end of that word? Did you hear the t? Now let's say it slowly. At. And put it all together. Cat. Our next word is almost like cat. Listen carefully. The word is hat. Ready? Say it slowly. At. There's our first sound. At. There's our next sound. At. There's our last sound. Now let's say each sound and put it together. At. Now say the word. Hat. Our next word is sat. Ready? Sat. What's the word? At. I hear a s. Let's do the next one. At. At. Did you hear all the sounds? Now let's say that word slowly. At. What's the word? Sat. You're right. Our last word today is sit. It's almost like sat. Listen carefully. It. You say it. Good. Did you hear what comes first? You're right. It. Did you hear what comes next? It. You're right again. It. Did you hear the last sound in that word? Correct. Let's say all the sounds. It. What's the word? Sit. That's right. Yay, you did it. Excellent job. Thanks for listening.